Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ford Edge. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 2.7-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Ford has less than 138,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.